Hello students, today we'll be doing one more exercise of chapter 1, that is for your revision for PT1 exam. But the pattern of your questions in PT will be the same: MCQs, one word, true and false, and fill in the blanks. So students, here is one more exercise from your book of chapter number 1. So we'll be revising the chapter, so we are doing this exercise, but the pattern of PT exam will be the same, that is of mock test. You have seen the pattern will be like 4 types of question will be there: MCQs, fill in the blanks, one word, and true false. So here just we are revising the chapter, so we are doing this exercise. Find the odd one. Give reason for your choice. So first one is paddy, barley, cotton, soya bean. Cotton here is odd one because it is fiber crop. Second is wheat, maize, jute, millets. Here jute is odd one because this is also a fiber crop. Third one is urea, compost, potash, ammonium sulfate. Here compost is the odd one because it is naturally prepared. It can also be told as manure. Compost is manure only. So potash, ammonium sulfate, and urea, these three are artificially prepared, that are chemicals, so they are fertilizers. So compost is odd one. Then next is fourth one, silos, granaries, mines, godowns. Silos, granaries, and godowns are used to store large amount of grains in them, whereas mines are those from which the metals are extracted from nature. So mines is different, odd one. Fifth one, amaranthus, parthenium, foxtail grass, locusts. So the first three, amaranthus, parthenium, foxtail grass, these are weeds, whereas locusts are insects. So locust is odd one. Sixth is 2,4-D, BHC, warfarin, DDT. BHC, warfarin, DDT are pesticides, whereas 2,4-D is a weedicide. So 2,4-D is odd one. Then E is E exercise. Match the following. Broadcasting, that is scattering of seeds, A. Fish, that is pisciculture, D. Weeding, that will be done with trowel, so answer is E. Fungal disease, that is rust of wheat, B. Rust of wheat is caused by fungus. Then fertilizer, that is potash, C, which we have discussed before also. Viral disease, last one, that is leaf curl of cotton. So leaf curl of cotton is a viral disease caused by virus. So this is the revision only. The new exercises, the new type I have shown you, that was given in your book for revision, but the pattern of PT will be same. The questions will be MCQs, then one word, true false, and fill in the blanks. So you can go through this exercise also for your revision. Small type of questions you can revise. So all the best for your PT exam.